got battery box made. It's for a little battery out of a compact car. It's 800 cranking amps, 650 cold cranking amps. Little battery that's only 7 inches tall, 9.5 inches wide, and 7 inches that way. It's yeah, I think it'll start. Small block Chevy is not going to be a high compression motor. It's not going to be real high performance motor. I think it'll start it. We're going to find out. But I didn't have a lot of room in the cow to put a big battery, so we're going to try this. But anyway, this here just bed frame rails here. And these pieces, or I just took a piece of 1 inch square tube and split it and made angle iron, because I didn't have none that side laying around. Welded the nuts on it. This simple, strong battery box is what we got. Alright, got the battery box in there. We don't have 2 bottom bolts in, but I'm going to have to take it back out anyway to paint. So let's see the battery go in there. There you go. Man, that feels like socks on a rooster. Yep, can get to the battery post. I might put some of them battery clamps that come out and got the hole for like the side post cables, so I can come right here and take the cable loose, because with the dash in there it's going to be hard to see. We'll see. Anyway, I got options. But that's a good place for the battery, I guess. Looks good to me. I'm happy with it. If I need to hook the jumper cables, probably be better just to hook them straight to the starter, because hot cable will go straight from here to the starter solenoid. But we'll see. I can still get jumper cable up in there if I need to. Of course, I'm going to have gauges here, a fuse panel up in here, a fuse panel, and a couple of circuits for the fan and stuff like that over here. So we're going to have we'll have some wire stuff back here. We'll still have plenty of room. Okay. Battery box done. Now I can carry on. I got to put my windshield frame in there and make me some templates for my dash and get started with that. Yep, dash next.